So, looking ahead, macroeconomic factors could further influence both Bitcoin and Ether's prices. So, the good, bad, and the ugly. On September 20th, Japan is set to release inflation data with expectations for both headline and core inflation to come in slightly hotter year over year. Additionally, the Bank of Japan will announce its interest rate decision, with markets expecting a pause. So, Bank of Japan was what caused all the drop down to 50K when everybody did that massive unwind by raising their rates 0.25%. These events could add volatility to crypto markets. So if there's probably still, I think last I read, 80% of all yen carry trades had already been unwound. So the size and scope, if they decided to raise again, wouldn't be nearly as bad as it was before. So while a weak Japanese yen would be bullish for Bitcoin, and frankly, any weak fiat currency is bullish for crypto as a whole, a strong Japanese yen and at the same time, strong national currencies overall is bearish for crypto assets. So while the Hong Kong Monetary Authority also cut its base rate by 50 bips to 5.25% on September 19th, that mirrored the Fed's interest rate cut. And that's because their monetary policy basically mirrors the US as their local currency is pegged to the US dollar. So what happens to the US dollar also happens to Hong Kong as well. So overall, if the Fed is dropping rates, if other central banks are dropping rates, if Hong Kong is dropping rates, if Japan is pausing, and frankly, they don't have a lot of room to raise. They have made their bed and now they have to sleep in it. That's overall bullish for crypto markets.